What's up, Dream Media family? This is Zach and Chase. We're out here in Colorado, specifically Cordillera, this beautiful private community. We'd like to make a call to action for anybody that's in this territory. We have noticed that it's underserviced and we got a lot of old homes that need help. We are here.
Yeah.
We are here to help. In this home, we completely gutted the rack and brought it up to 2024 standards. This was the first stage in the technology upgrade where we put in a URC control platform that allows him now, at least he can control all his lights, he can control all the audio video, put on his whole house music. Everything's easy to operate and it functions. You put in battery backups.
Yeah.
Fixed his Wi-Fi issues.
Self-healing home.
Yeah. So we made separate videos on this home as well as other homes in the area, but we just wanted to make a quick call to action for anybody who is out here. Just a quick call to action for anybody who's up here in Cordillera. We'd love the opportunity to earn your business and help you out with your technology upgrade. We are leading the charge and raising the bar and increasing your level of expectation in this area by educating builders, homeowners, and continuing to improve our service. We are proud to be here in the Vail Valley area as your go-to technology provider. I'm going to pass it off to Chase Williams. He's the guy who's boots on the ground here daily working inside these homes. And maybe you can just provide a little insight into some of the common services and ways that you're helping customers in the territory.
Yeah. Specifically in Cordillera, the neighborhood we're in now, we've got 5,000 homes. It's a stunning community, a very tight-knit ecosystem. And it breaks my heart to come into these homes and see like a beautiful backbone to a smart system, yet nothing functioning in the property. Every home I've been in up here, there's a vast distributed audio system that won't even turn on. There's centralized AV zones back to a computer rack, but they're sitting locally in the room with their Fire Stick plugged in locally to the TV, listening to it out of the TV speakers, even though they've got 6, 7 speakers and a subwoofer in the room. And the investment's already there in the house.
Yeah.
You just need a little refresh. So that really starts with just making sure that if you live here, you know how hard it is to get into this place so that I don't have to roll a truck out here. So we've got self-healing battery systems, self-healing networks, fully integrated systems. If there is something that's not auto self-healed, I can remote into the property, peace of mind. We had an outage here on a Sunday not too long ago. The homeowner reached out, I logged in. The house was already in a repair cycle, got itself back up online about 15 minutes, and just really exciting stuff. So I'm very happy to be in this neighborhood, in this stunning community with these stunning backdrops and just helping people bring their home up to a modern standard.
Yeah.
It's a shame to have such a beautiful home with such a beautiful infrastructure provided, because a lot of these homes are pre-wired so much better than we're used to seeing in a lot of the Rockies, and yet these homes aren't really running.
Yeah.
So we're coming through, refreshing these systems, making them work for you specifically, and just taking some of the stress off your daily plate. Automated shades, automated lights, automated self-healing homes, just smart homes that are actually smart, not just someone saying, we'll put it in a smart home and it'll work half the time.
A lot of dumb homes around, and it's sad to see. So we're up here raising the bar, guys. Chase is passionate about not only home theater, which is our specialty, but Chase's specialty is really smart homes technology, starting from the battery backups and the Wi-Fi infrastructure, access points throughout the entire property for solid Wi-Fi coverage, all the way through the distributed audio system, your dedicated home theaters or flex space theaters, which we see a lot of up here, where we were just doing one across the valley over there above Beaver Creek, and he had a crazy Perlisten hi-fi system, a 5.4 channel with limited edition Perlistens. Maybe we can put that on the screen. That we're actually now upgrading to a 7.4.4.
It's going to be so
system. So we're here, whether you're wanting to geek out on some hi-fi gear, 2-channel home theater, or you're looking for a dedicated home theater or tech home, we got you covered, guys. This is a wrap out here at Cordelia. We're going to continue to upgrade this home as well as many other homes in the area. There's a new one going across right the street. brand new home in the framing stage. We're going to be doing that one as well, and we'll do some update videos for you guys as the progression continues over there.
If you live out here in this area and your smart home doesn't feel smart, reach out today. Schedule a consultation. We'll get your home set straight.
That's all right, guys. Well, we hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative in helping you make a buying decision and give you some inspiration as to something you could do in your own home. If you guys like this video, be sure to give us a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach and Chase with Dream Media. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.